I'm Cody with Low Range Off-Road, and this is another how-to video. Today we're going to talk about and show you how to seal a hole in a tire with a tire sealant kit. This one here is the ARB, and this one is the trail gear kit, and this is the one we will be using. The first tool is called the reamer, and it's got spiraled all the way down to a pointy tip, and that's used for cleaning out the hole and applying some sealant. The next tool has got a little eyelet in it, and that's what you use to hold the plug as you shove it into the tire. Then the kits come with plugs and some lubricating sealant, so that way it helps lube it in and seal it once you're done. And now something that we need to mention, this is a temporary fix to get you off the trail or just to get you to the closest repair shop that you can get to. And it can be used for sidewalls, but we don't really recommend it, and it's not legal in a lot of states. So at this point we're now going to move to the tire and show you how to repair the hole. The first step is to remove whatever object is in your tire. Then you want to get your reamer tool and put some of the lubrication on it, and then shove it in the hole. Kind of has a twisting motion as you go down. And then pull it back out. I'm going to stick a little bit more lube on it. Shove it back in. Going to do the twisting motion back down again. And then I'm going to kind of work it like a saw. And what this does is it cleans out the hole so you get a better seal. And then I'm just going to leave the reamer in it while we put the plug and the installation plug tool. And now a tip, if you have a buddy or someone to help you, have them hold it and then open it up just a little bit with the flathead screwdriver to help you put the plug in the tool. And we have cut our plug in half just so we get more use out of them. But you want to make sure it's about halfway with the plug into the tool, so that way you have equal lengths going into the tire. You also want to lube that one up just a little bit, and go ahead and remove the reamer. And this is important that you want to go just straight down. And you want to go until the handle, this T-handle, gets flush with the tire. And then you want to hold that down and pull back out your tool. The next step is you want to trim this excess off as close to the tread, if not a little bit below the tread, as you can possibly get. I'm going to try trimming off just a little bit more. Okay. And then the next step is you want to check your tire pressure to make sure it's at the proper pressure. And then you want to check with soapy water or water works to see if it is leaking. Then after that, you're good to go until you can get it professionally fixed. Thank you for joining us with another how-to video with low range off-road. Please join us on the next one.